Hey guys, it's Neha. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to make this delicious Gourd Halwa, also known as Lauki ka Halwa. This recipe is super easy but requires some time. Lauki Halwa makes a great meal dessert and can be served warm or chilled. Firstly, I wanted to show you my Gourd plant. So there's some small and big Gourds, and this is my entire garden. Gourd is one of those vegetables that's consumed often in Indian homes to make curry or sabji, and you can also make halwa with it. I make this Gourd halwa sometimes when we are too bored of eating the same Gourd dishes. Rinse the Gourd for making the halwa and then remove the stalk from it. Now cut down the gourd into chunks and look at how soft it is on the inside because it's so fresh, and great to eat chunks from all the sides. Not only is Lauki tasty, it also comes with a lot of health benefits. Eating Lauki can help in reducing stress. Its water content has a cooling impact on the body. Lauki is also extremely beneficial for the heart. Drinking its juice at least thrice a week will help you in maintaining a healthy heart and will also keep a check on your blood pressure. For those looking to lose weight, drinking Lauki juice can prove to be very useful. Filled with iron, vitamins, and potassium, having Lauki juice every day will help you reduce weight. Now you need to remove the soft portion and the seeds in the middle because it doesn't taste that good when you're making halwa. Grate each chunks from all sides. So this is one Gourd grated. In a large pan, put the flame on medium flame and add 2 tablespoons of ghee into it. Once the ghee has partially melted, add chopped cashews and almonds into the pan. Roast the nuts to golden brown and then keep them aside. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel as well as click the notifications bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video, and I post every single week. In the same pan, add the grated Lauki and fry them for 5 minutes. Fry well until the raw smell goes away and the moisture evaporates, and place a lid on top of the pan. This may take about 7 to 10 minutes. At the end of this step, there was no excess moisture and the ghee began to separate from the Lauki. You could also see that the Lauki shrinks slightly and it changes color. Now you're going to add 2 cups of milk into this pan. And mix well. Cook for 10 minutes or till milk thickens and Lauki gets completely cooked. You can add more or less milk according to your taste level. Once it gets up to this stage where the milk is absorbed fully, you can now add 1 teaspoon of cardamon powder. Cook further just for 1 or 2 minutes. Now you can add 1 cup of sugar. Mix everything until it's combined. Add 1 teaspoon of ghee. Sugar, milk and ghee in the Lauki halwa will begin to smell great as you cook. Cook for another minute or 2 and your Lauki halwa is finished. You can now serve it into a plate and enjoy. I'm also going to top up this halwa with the roasted cashews and almonds from earlier. You can also mix it into the halwa. Look at how good it looks and it tastes just appetizing. You should really try it out. Hope you guys liked this recipe. If you did, make sure to give this video a big like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And also click on the notifications bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video, and I post every single week. Bye!